This is changelog.gallery. In this website, you can find out the changelog for most amazing tech companies. Finding out the changelog is a bit difficult. If you want to see which bug have been fixed and what has come in the new version of the app that you are using, you can check out this website and it is going to showcase most tech companies. For example, Sandbox, like Code the Sandbox is one of the example, Outline or any like Framer or Versal, which are the popular website. If you click on this Code Sandbox, it is going to take you to the changelog page of this one. For every version you can see here and all the features it has come and all the bug fixes. So if you come back, you scroll down, you can see the recent one also. So the recent one was the Pocket Strap API, like Strappy, or like some people call it, or some like Chrome release or Algolia or Ghost or any other API. So also GitHub, Shopify development, like Dev API, all of them are here. If you want to see the changelog for them, you simply click on them and it is going to take you to the changelog of those websites. You can see all the new feature. For more tips video like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you.